Let's learn how to find 1/2 squared, or 1/2 raised to the second power. When we see an expression like this, we're being asked to multiply 1/2 by itself. Let's visualize this with a square. Imagine we have a square that's 1 unit by 1 unit. If we take half of the square horizontally, and then take half of that vertically, the resulting small square represents 1/2 squared. Let's solve this step by step. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. So 1 times 1 in the numerator gives us 1, and 2 times 2 in the denominator gives us 4. Therefore, 1/2 squared equals 1/4. Let's visualize this again with our square. The blue shaded region represents 1/4 of the entire square, which matches our calculation. This makes sense because if we take half of a half, we end up with 1/4. Another way to think about it is that when we square a fraction less than 1, the result will be even smaller than the original fraction.